Alright guys, and we are live. So what's going on guys, Stockmarketchuy, and welcome back to this channel. So today we're just going to do a quick little live. I'm just going to show my portfolio, how it did today, how the Robinhood array is doing, and yeah, let's get to it. So obviously before we get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So here's the live now. There we go. Like I said, like, and then hit the subscribe button. So there's that, and then also join the free Discord as well. That would be number 2. So yeah, join the free Discord. It's completely free. You guys will see when I go live, and then we have, let's see, 20 people that are active right now, and then we have 191 that are not active right now. So make sure you guys join the free Discord. It's completely free. And then if you want to join like-minded individuals, make sure you guys join the free Discord. And then also, if you guys are struggling in the stock market, make sure you guys check out the membership down below. So far, we have 7 different members, and then here's the 2 levels. So I would honestly suggest everyone just to get this one. This one's so much better than the one-on-one. This one is like if you do have a lot more money, but this one I would say like 99% of people should get. So this one is only $19 per month. You guys get my phone number. You guys can ask me anything. You guys get real-time trades. Whenever I sell options, whenever I buy a different stock, or whenever I sell a stock, you guys will be alerted. You guys get stocks that I'm buying. You guys get monthly stock picks as like around which stock that I'm taking a look at and around what price range. So there's that. And then also I do have a track record of I've been making 2K per month. You guys will build wealth with me because I am putting my own money on the line as well. Like all of these covered calls / cash cleared puts that I do, they're like the money. That's the money that I'm putting into the market as well. It's not just I'm giving you guys like some sort of trade and then hoping that it goes well. Like this is my actual money that I'm putting to work for me as well. So make sure you guys check out the membership down below if you guys are struggling. Like I said, it's only $19 per month, so I'm not charging an arm and a leg. And then this is how I get paid, because right now I don't get any sponsorships, and I'm not I don't get AdSense or anything. So help a brother out. But all right, guys, that's the spreadsheet that we're going to be taking a look at in a second. But all right, guys, as you guys can see, Celsius went on a tear today. So just taking a look at Celsius once this loads up. And then my bad, my computer's going a little bit wild, but today up 14, basically 14.5%. They were at $32. And then the lows were pretty much $28, 28.5. So Celsius jumped up quite a bit. And then year to date, they're still down quite a bit. They were at $90. Now they're at $35. So still has a while to climb. But I don't know if I'm going to buy more Celsius or if I'm just going to keep it. But like I said, these are underwater, so I will have to roll them. So I was thinking about doing a 3-week option. So this is what it would look like. So 1, 2, 3. So November 8th it would expire, and then let's say I did this one, I would have to still pay quite a bit. But let's say we did it to 35, I would only pay $16 in a net debit, and I would switch it from 32 to 35. And I would be closing this one but opening this one up. I don't know if that's what I'm gonna do, or if I just want to do 1, 2. So this would be the November 1st, and I would just, instead of what I would just do is take a net debit of $214, and that's for both contracts, like together. Personally, I think this is more of the option that I'm going to do, just because it'll help me stay on top of the stock faster. And let's see, what are the things. And then I also rolled these 2 options. I don't remember if this was today or yesterday, but I had to roll my QQQ covered calls. So let's see. So this was actually yesterday, October 9th. That's when I did it. This one I did get a little bit of a net credit, but with the TQQ covered calls, those ones I took like a net credit or net debit of 60 cents. Oh, my bad, guys. What's up, Full of Fear? What's up, Tay? So I have about 35K in Robinhood. I do want to try options, but I'm so scared. I would say, dude, don't be scared of, like, we're selling options, so this is a lot more safe than buying the options. If you were buying the options, then I would say like definitely take a lot more time and learn about buying options. But selling options is so easy, dude. Tay, I would say hit me up on Instagram. It's gonna be I know for sure it's inside the link down below, so make sure you message me on Instagram, Tay. So I appreciate you swinging us your options. It helps me understand a lot. I'm still learning. Yeah, dude. Like I said, selling options is like there's a lot less stress in selling options, but buying options, that's when you would have to be like glued to your screen. But yeah, dude, I would say only sell options on stocks that you want to buy, and then not every single stock has options, so you have to keep that in mind as well. And then some of the like there are some stocks that I do want to buy, but they don't give me like any premium, or like they barely give me any premium. But yeah, those are just some things that I would keep in mind. Not worth losing all your money, man. But if I were you, if you wanted to check out, it's C Blast on YouTube, has a Discord, lots of good options trader, high risk. Oh, what's up, dude? What do you mean by rolling? Like you're just buying to close one option and then you're selling to open a different one. So like right here on Robinhood, so like this one, the option is at 29, and then right here it says buy to close because you're closing the option and then you're opening a new one. So like this is what it would look like. So for me, like I said, for me, I like doing every single 2 weeks, and then if we're still to keep it at the 29 strike price, this is when where it would expire, and then it says right here, sell to open. So this one you're buying to close it, so you're closing it, and then this one you're opening it. So that's what I mean by a roll. That's what rolling is. Like continuing slash, yeah, exactly. Extending the contract basically is what you're doing. Like you can always close the option if you want to, but for me, if I really like the stock, like right now Celsius is at 35. So for me, what I would probably do is go on to this 32 and then roll the option this way. Just because, like I said earlier, Celsius currently is at 35.40, and this one shot up quite a bit. So these covered calls are underwater by like $3.40 as of right now. But the great thing with options is that you have options. So I'm gonna roll mine. Like I said, I am gonna take a net debit, but that is a-okay in my book, to be honest with you. Just because I really don't mind paying net debits, just because I will have to pay quite a bit in taxes this year. So this will reduce my taxes by a little bit. But yeah, that's what I mean by rolling. Gotcha. There is a stream delay. All right, thank you, dude. But all right, guys, do you guys have any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything? I do want to hop off this live so then I can go enjoy some free time. But if you guys do have any more questions, please let me know before I do go. And then before we do go, though, I do want to show you guys the different spreadsheets. So this is how it was looking like in the past. Really quick, I see somebody sent in a message. What are some of your favorite dividend stocks? So like I'll show you in a second, but here's how my dividend stocks were at the beginning. I've been tracking it ever since March 4th of 2024. So I did have 300 shares of the QQQ, but I decided to sell some of them, and then I was only making $614 per year, and then this is for every single month. And then as you guys can see, we'll say right here on June. So on June, I still had 300 shares of the QQQ, and then I bought some TSLL, had some Vici, I have some JEPQ in here, and then so for the year we were going to be making around $1,000, around $1,000, and then now fast forward to October. Now I only have 100 shares of the QQQ, 1,300 of TSLL, Nike 100, AMZ 30. This one should actually be 33, but change that later. But then I have SSO, TQQQ, QDT, VG Properties, JEPB, JEPQ, QILG, Devo, Realty Income, ADC, SPYI, BST, QQI, and then YMAG. And then in total, I should be making around $2,713, and that's on the low end. Just because like here's the how much they pay out per month in dividends, but I took like the lowest amount that they paid out for this year. So then these should be the lowest amount for a while, I'm hoping. But this is how much I'm going to be making roughly around for a year, around $2,713. And if I keep reinvesting the dividends, this is obviously going to keep on getting bigger. And then the more and more that I sell options, the bigger this is going to grow as well. But all right, guys, like I said, right now my favorite dividend stock for right now I would say Nike, and then I like JetQ, and then JetB as well. JetQ and then JetB as well. SCHD, JetB, JetQ, and then VIG. I've been taking a look at VIG just because their growth is very good, to be honest with you. Like, look at this, 18% for this year, which isn't not that bad. For the year, 28%, we'll call it 5 years, 69%. And then for the max, this one has been open since 2006. It's gone up around 300%, which is very good as well. But all right, guys, let me know if you guys do have any more questions, comments, or anything. Hit me up either on here or on Instagram. It's my Instagram is the same as right here, Stockmarketchuy. So make sure you guys check that out. Comment. High dividend. I would say like right now. Yeah, I guess I've been looking at AMZ. So like this one, they sell options on Amazon, and they've been giving me a pretty good. I haven't received a dividend though, so I'm still waiting for my dividend for this one. So this one I have 33 shares, but they should be giving me a nice dividend this upcoming week. So AMZ is definitely a good play. Or there's also, like I said, JetQ, but this one only gives you like maybe 12% per year, which isn't the highest, but at least you'll be able to, like this year, they're up 10% plus the dividend. So that's another maybe 10%. So this one's basically giving you 20% for the year. So I would say this one as well, and then JetB as well. So I would say those three you should take a look at. Okay, yeah, you're welcome, dude. And then, like I said, if you do have any more questions, please let me know on Instagram. I'll answer you just because you've been very good in the chat. So yeah, dude, please let me know. But all right, guys, like I said, I am gonna get off this live. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.